Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to download apps from App Store in iPhone without credit card, without payment method. Guys, it is a very simple method. Please follow these steps. First of all, tap on profile icon. You can see up here on the screen. Tap on it, and here tap on Apple ID. You can see. Now wait a few seconds. Here, now enter your Apple ID password if you have. Now guys, wait a few seconds, and here I will enter my password. Now tap on sign in. You can see up here on the screen. This is for just security reason. And here click here. You can see up here on the screen change region. Tap on it. Now wait a few seconds. Simply tap on change country or region. Now select your country. I'm selecting. You can see up here on the screen. Here select United States. You can see. Tap on it. Now simply tap on agree, top right corner. Tap on it. Now tap on agree. Now here guys, this is the main part of this video, credit card. Now simply tap on none, and here your first name last name is automatically selected. Now enter your randomly this information, because just for formality you can enter your fake. You can see up here on the screen guys, but must be match your zip code with your city name or state. If you don't know, search on Safari or Chrome zip code of your city. This is enter your wrong phone number. Simply tap on next. You can see appear on the screen. Now wait for few seconds. Here you can see guys, sometimes it will not happen next from here, but your country has been changed. You can see appear on the screen. Guys, simply close this window and tap on re again App Store and search any application you want to download from here without credit card and adding your payment method. I am searching snack video. You can see appears on screen. Here tap on snack video. You can see, and guys tap on get, and here tap on install. Guys, my snap video app downloading, you can see appear on the screen. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.